I can assure you that this is not the kind of Zobo you drink and you'll be worried about loading up your body with so much unhealthy sugar. Because from start to finish, this sweet Zobo is loaded with only healthy ingredients. So if this is the kind of drink you're interested in, let's get right into making this Zobo. Watch from beginning to the end because I have tips to share. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome, especially as the case may be. Okay, so what I have in this bowl is soaked dates. I soaked these the night before making this Zobo and they are very soft now. I soaked because I'm going to be blending this, and also after soaking it should be very easy to just pop out the seed. As you just saw, I will take out all the seeds off the camera. I have here one large pineapple which I cut up and stored in the freezer just to make my work easier today. And here I am blending the date which has been soaked and pitted. I will blend this till very smooth, and my rock power blender did just that. Immediately I am also going to blend my pineapple and I will add fresh ginger to this. I won't be boiling my Zobo with the ginger because I want the fresh ginger flavor in my Zobo. After blending the pineapple, I'm going to extract the juice by sieving using this method. If you have a juicer, please just use it. I will finish this off the camera so we can move on to the next activity. I've added cloves to my pot. I also added some cinnamon sticks, followed by pineapple peel, which I also saved in the freezer, and of course my washed Zobo leaves. I already washed the leaves. Everything goes in at this point. And now I'm going to add the blended dates. Yes, everything will go in and I will add more water. In total, I used about 6 liters of water. Don't worry, I will list out everything I used in the description box so you can check it. Once everything is in the pot, I'm going to cover and boil for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, this is what it looks like. So good, boiled, and all the pigment is out. And everywhere is smelling so good. At this point, I am going to let it cool a bit before I go on to sieve to remove the leaves and all of that. It is now cool enough to work with, so I'm going to remove the chunks of pineapple peel and leaves first. After this, I will pass it through a sieve to catch all the finer particles. You can still go on to pass through a cheesecloth just to achieve a very smooth finish. The cheesecloth will catch every tiny fiber from the dates. I am done sieving everything and this is what I have. This is the pineapple juice which we extracted early on, and I'm going to add that in the Zobo and just stir this together. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you are not already a subscriber. It will make me happy to have you here more permanently. Okay, everything is well combined and it's time to bottle. I have to mention here that if you're consuming within a day or two, you can store in the fridge. But if you want it to keep for longer, please store it in the freezer. And that's because of the fresh fruit which we added. So if you're into healthy stuff, I'd like to encourage you to try the Zobo recipe. You are going to love it. It is flavorful, it is delicious, and very refreshing. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. I will see you with another recipe soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.